What's the meaning of brothel? Brothel. Brothel.
Brothel. Brothel. A brothel is a place where people, usually women, engage in sexual activities with paying customers. These establishments are often illegal and can be harmful to both workers and clients, as they may facilitate the spread of sexually transmitted diseases and promote exploitation. In many parts of the world, prostitution is still a taboo subject that is shrouded in mystery and controversy. The existence of brothels highlights the ongoing struggle for sexual freedom and equality, as well as the complex relationship between sexuality, commerce, and social norms. Ultimately, the impact of brothels on society depends on their regulation, location, and the attitudes of those who engage with them.